there, and today I'm going to discuss about how to block Telnet via extended ACL. So we want to block a Telnet network. For example, a particular PC or a network host accessing Telnet of some router. Then how to block that, how to restrict that, and since we already learned about that, ACL is used for forming a set of rule so that we can block a particular protocol, we can block a particular host, we can block a particular web server, we can block a ping, we can block a network, whatever. So at router first, let me configure the telnet. So enable config T, and then line VTY 0 to 15, password CCNA, login, exit, and then enable mode password secret, enable space secret space the password CCNP. Now let me try the Telnet desktop. Try to ping first whether I'm actually able to ping with that router or not. So should be, because we enable router. Okay, so since we enable routing, we able to ping the Telnet space 22, give the password of the Telnet, then enable mode password, and okay, we move to privilege mode, and now configuration mode. So we able to configure router, no problem. But let's take a scenario that wants to deny this particular PC, this particular host, that this particular host will not able to configure and not able to access Telnet and not able to access router via Telnet. So how to do that? We have to configure extended ACL and near to destination. So since host is there and near router is router 0, so we want to configure it near to destination. So configuration mode. Now access list. Now we have two mode, 1 to 99, the standard access list, and 100 to 199 extended access list. We already learned about that. From 1 to 99 is a standard, and 100 to 99 we consider as extended. So we want to configure extended one, so we're giving a value called 100, and then what we're going to do is going to deny, so that we able to now deny have lots of options. You can see AHP authentication header protocol, EIGRP, Cisco's EIGRP routing protocol, ESP encapsulation security payload, GRE, Cisco's GRE tunneling, ICMP internet control message protocol, IP any internet protocol, OSPF routing protocol, TCP transmission control protocol, UDP user datagram protocol. So TCP, since we are blocking Telnet, so we want to configure TCP. Now the IP of the particular network, for example, if you are doing this for the network, you want the network to block, then 192.168.1.0 and the walkout mask of that network. So since the network is class C, that's the reason 0.0.0.0255. but we are doing for the host. That's the reason we are giving a command host space 192.168.1 and .3. Then again the host for the router, the host IP of the router, which we're going to block the telnet. So host 22, and then equal. When you put a question mark, you find the values are there. You find the value FTP file transfer protocol, which is 21, POP3, post office protocol v3 1110, SMTP simple mail transfer protocol 25, telnet is 23, and we want to configure it telnet. We want to block a telnet. So 23. Okay, www and World Wide Web having 80 port number. So I just give a port number 23, but we just do it for the one interface. Now look at the router. You will find that both router having a two interface. This particular router 3 having two interface. You can see router 3 having one serial port and one fast Ethernet port. We just block a telnet of fast Ethernet port, but we didn't block a telnet for we did block a serial ports telnet, but we didn't block the fast Ethernet ports telnet. Means we block the serial interface, but we have to block the fast Ethernet port. Otherwise, we can do telnet of fast Ethernet. So command is same: access list 100 deny TCP. Host value will be same 192.168.1.3. Now this time host value will change of fast Ethernet port of router 3, which is, you can see, 192.168.3.1. So this is the fast Ethernet ports IP of router 3, 192.168.3.1. And this time, rather than I'm giving the port number, I will write clear text, just telnet. So this configure command, and both command is done. We just configure access list for serial interface for blocking telnet, and the fast Ethernet port for blocking telnet. Now let me check. Now we have to give an exclusive deny statement. It's access list 100 space permit, and we have to permit the IP of any network for any network. So access list space 100 permit space IP of any network for any network. Okay, now we'll show you do show access list, because we just configure access list. We didn't implement it yet, but we just configured it. We block the telnet of a serial port. We block the telnet of fast Ethernet port, and we permit IP for any network of any network for any network. Okay, now what we're going to do is going to implement that. So IP access list, and we have to implement it in a group, which is and they have two funda of implementing is inbound and outbound rule. So first we need to configure the first we need to switch to fast Ethernet port, because we were going to configure access list on fast Ethernet port. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Now IP and access group space 100, and we want to block the packets from internal network, so that our packets get filtered internally. So we just give an inbound route. Now let me check whether we able to access Telnet or not. Okay, so connection timed out. We can see that we just configured Telnet. So once again tries to configure Telnet. And here we go, not able to. And you can see connection timeout, remote host not responding because the particular router having restriction. They're not uh, allowed to access a telnet of router 3. So we blocked the from home network only, and see desktop. With other PC you were allowed to because we didn't restrict the other PC. Give a password of telnet and then enable mode, CCNP the password we give, or here we go, we just reached to the privilege mode. So this is how we configure telnet via extended ACL. So hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.